Open wrap for Tuesday, November 10th. We have still echoes from the non-farm payrolls. Let's remind everybody what we had: 271,000 jobs gained. Wages broke above resistance at 2.3, reached 2.5 annual rise year over year. Other good figures also supported the US dollar. So we have on euro dollar, a big break we had there under support at 108.10, but currently consolidating in the manner of a dead cat bounce. We have similar reactions from other currencies, such as pound dollar, which was also heard by the Bank of England on Thursday. Lower inflation forecasts. Dollar again made a big break higher, finally left dust behind the 120 level. We're currently 123, resistance at 123.60. Canadian dollar ignored its good jobs report, and for good reasons. It was probably temporary. Currently at higher ground. Aussie dollar, I see it is very vulnerable. That's because of weak Chinese data, exports, imports, CPI, PPI, and weak figures from Australia. Currently holding to 70, but could fall towards the double bottom of 69.35. Resistance at 71.10. New Zealand dollar stable at 65.20, ahead of the RBNZ in financial stability report. And all in all, I think we have a period of consolidation, but we had a few responses from the Fed. Fed doves like Evans and Rosengren they both seem to accept the rate hike is coming. So I think we currently have rate hike probability about 2/3 against 1/3, 67, 70%. I think it should be higher according to what the Fed says. They think there's more potential for US dollar strength. Today is relatively sort of a slow day in terms of news. Also yesterday was like this. We had a consolidation yesterday. Perhaps today we'll see more action, even though we don't have too much news coming up. Anyway, the events for today, of course, we can have more speak from the ECB. Because they're talking about getting closer to cutting to have a negative deposit rate. In addition, we have today we have import prices from the United States, financial stability report, and the biggest event for the next 24 hours is the Chinese industrial output. So watch out for the Aussie dollar. It could become quite interesting over there. If we have another weak figure from China, or a bulk of weak figures, we also have retail sales there. Perhaps we can challenge the 70 line. So all in all, we had in recent days lots of movements in markets, and especially on Thursday and Friday, then some consolidation. Let's see if we can end this consolidation and have fresh moves in markets, looking at euro dollar and Aussie dollar in particular. Okay, so that's the show for today. Thank you very much for coming. I'm glad to see all of you back after my short vacation, and looking forward to see you tomorrow with all your questions, and wish you all a happy and successful trading day. So that's it. Thank you and bye-bye.